My name is Brooklyn. I'm gonna do a makeup video. First, I'm gonna start this with this foundation. So we'll open the cap. Oh, that's a lot. Whatever. Oh, it's dripping. It's okay. I'll get a brush. It's dripping too much. I'll just squeeze some on the brush. I'm just gonna do. There. I'll get a wipe here and wipe it off. It's okay. Can wipe it off. There we go. And then I'm gonna brush it onto my face. It's so good. It's so hard, but try to not get in my eyes. Got out. Whoops! I accidentally got my thing, but whatever. Let's continue. I'll get this. Sorry, that's my brother Eli. Oh, but I put mine on the table. He's sleeping, but I still can do this, right? Yep. I'm gonna move around. Gonna make sure whoops in good. So I can get all good. See, it's all over me. I cannot get it that much off of me. And I got an eyebrows. Oh. First I'm starting with my forehead. To get it, it's gonna look so great. Get it here. Oh, that looks so good. So I had to start with this first, because we always have to start first. I'll get it. If I get it in my hair, it's okay. I'll wipe on my cheek now. That's hard to do, but whatever. There's a thing to do. Oh, I almost got it in my eye. Oh no, whatever. There's so much on this cheek. Put too much. I'll rub it in, rub. Rub it all in. And we're gonna make sure it's all rubbed in. And I love this thing. I've never done it before, and I'm doing it today. And I love it because it's so much time. Okay, we're done with that. And now we're gonna screw the lid back on. And the first thing now we're gonna do is we're gonna do something. Let me go get it. Okay. We're gonna start with eyeshadow here. Open it up. It's so easy to open. It's so easy to clean up if you spill it. Oh. Tap. Oh, that's a lot. I love this eyeshadow. Looks so good. Still got foundation on me, but on my take, that's a lot. That looks cute. Okay, there's still some on the brush, but whatever. We'll just dab it down. I can't do it, whatever. And I'll close it. Next thing we're gonna do is something this. I can't open this, but whatever. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. I definitely. Oh, this is messy, but whatever. Oh, don't want to put too much. Oh, that's a lot. Whatever. This will look so good. Cute. That's a lot. There we go. Cute. There's one more dab on this cheek. There we go. I'm done with the blush now. Put that in there. Okay, I'm in my room doing it. It's so easy to do. Now I'm gonna do. I'll do some mascara. I'm so scared to do it because I've never done it by myself. But I think I'll do it great. I'm so scared. But whatever. Blush. Let's not use this one, guys. Let's use a different one. And I exactly have a different one. This one should be better than that. Oh, cool. Oops. There. I got my nose. Whoopsie daisies. It's okay. We'll get a wipe. Good. That looks good enough. There we go. Perfect. There. Now, let's tighten the body. Get it tight. There we go. And I just love that. That's a perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do the. Get it. Hold this a minute. I'll use some lipstick. I'm using some lipstick here. Oh, that's cool. That's a pretty lipstick. That looks so good. Okay. Okay, that looks really good. And there's different colors. There's this color and this color. But I got this color. Maybe both. I don't know though. Get that. And there we go. I'll use this next. It goes on my eyebrows. I've been wanting to use this. And I finally get to use it now because I got it. Set this right here. Okay.